Emily's Life, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best viral slimes on YouTube. So let's get started. So first we are going to be doing butter slime. So I'll show you what you will need. So first what you will need a bowl, any bowl, you can use any bowl, a spoon to mix with. You will need shaving foam or shaving cream. You will also need contact solution, or you can also make contact solution. Contact solution is the activator, so you can also make activator by taking borax and dissolving it in hot water. You will also need glue. You don't have to have this much, it depends. However much glue you want is however much slime you will get. So you need white glue, white PVA glue, and you also need Model Magic. You don't need this much once again. You can use any color you would like. I'm just using white because I have food dye. So yeah, you need Model Magic. And I have these coloring, this pink, purple, and blue. So you can use those. And there's also the strawberry flavoring. You can use any flavoring. So if you would like, you can use flavoring. So let's get started showing you how to make it. Let's go. So first what you're going to want to do is get the glue and pour in the desired amount of glue. So you want to pour the glue in, the desired amount that you want. I just poured in this much because I have this gallon to make for this whole video, so I have to save it. But you can pour in however much you want. Then you take your shaving foam or shaving cream and you put some in. Then you will need your coloring. You can use whatever one you want. I'm going to use a light purple for this one. So after I put the coloring in, I mixed it up with the shaving foam, and I got this. So next, what you want to do is, if you would like, take your flavoring and put some in. Put the flavoring in, we're basically done with the slime. Now we need to use our contact solution or whatever thing we are using for activator and activate it. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to start mixing. now you're moving on to the Model Magic. So get your Model Magic. Here's my Model Magic. I'm gonna take enough so that it covers the whole slime. So this is probably good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in and mix it all in. Purple, and after that you are done. So this slime, butter slime, is basically done. So on to the next slime. So the next slime I'm going to do is foam slime. So what you're going to need is Elmer's white glue. It's right there in the corner. Foam balls, scent if you would like, of course, coloring if you would like, any color, but I think I'm just going to leave mine white because I don't want to waste my colors, and of course you need contact solution or whatever you're using for the activator. So let's get started. So first, you are going to take your glue, put however much slime you want as glue in there. Put that much. Go. I'm not going to put the scent in it this time. No color either. So I'm just going to take my activator and put some in there. Also, I forgot, you are going to need shaving cream so that it can all clump together more easily. Start going with my hands. It's gonna be messy, but I'm gonna do it. So now the base of the slime is basically done. It is pretty fluffy, but it feels great. So now it's time to add in the foam beads. And I'm going to do it in the bowl so that everything doesn't fall everywhere, like it already has. So the slime is basically done. It looks so nice. I love how it looks and I love how it feels. I've never really played with this type of slime, but it feels so cool. So on to the next slime. So now we are going to make a birthday cake slime. So we're going to open your slime. Is the slime. Now I'm gonna get the sprinkles. So here are the sprinkles. I just ordered these online and just gonna sprinkle some on. You guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I make new videos. I hope you make these slimes yourself, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.